Good morning, children. In this video, we will study about the mirror formula and magnification due to spherical mirrors. So, mirror formula you can see 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. And this formula is valid for all spherical mirrors. What do you mean by F? F is the focal length. Then U is the distance of the object from the pole, or you can say object distance, and V is the distance of the image from the pole. So what is the mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now magnification due to spherical mirrors we will see. So magnification due to spherical mirror is given by the ratio of the height of the image upon height of the objects. So what is the height of the image for magnification we are taking? See, m is equal to height of the image upon height of the object. Height of the object will take always h1 and height of the image will be taken as h2. And from this also we can show m is equal to minus v upon u. Just now I told you. What is u? U is the u is the object distance and v is the image distance. So you can write, if you have to find, if height is given in your problem, you can use the formula of height, that is h2 upon h1, and if object or image distance is given, you can use minus v upon u. And you can see, children, m is equal to h2 upon h1 and m is equal to minus v upon u. So as LHS is same, m is same in both of them. So you can write also h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. This type of formula is useful to you in solving the examples. Now we will see one solved example. Rajeshri wants to get an inverted image of height 5 cm of an object kept at a distance of 30 cm from a concave mirror. See, children, here concave mirror is given, that's why focal length f is equal to what we will take. As it is concave mirror, focal length is always negative. The focal length of the mirror is 10 cm. At what distance from the mirror should she place the screen, and what will be the type of the image, and what is the height of the object? In this, see, children, concave mirror is used, that's why f or focal length will be always negative. That is f is equal to minus 10 cm. Then object distance u is equal to minus 30 cm you will take. Why we will take object distance as negative? Because here also it is given in your book only. See, for virtual image the height is positive, while for real images it is negative. See, it is given here. As the object is kept on the left of the mirror, its distance u is always negative. Means if the image is virtual, the height is positive. If the image is real, height is negative. And object is always kept in front of the kept at the left of the mirror, u is always taken as negative. So here in this example, children, concave mirror we have used, so that's why f is equal to minus 10. Means concave mirror is there, that's why it is taken as negative. And object u is equal to minus 30. Why? Because object is always placed in the left of the mirror, that's why we are taking u is equal to minus 30. That's why height of the image h2 is also is equal to minus 5 cm. Now you have to find out image distance, that is v, and height of the object. So according to the mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So you have to find out the value of v. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Means you are taking the whole ratio on the right hand side. What is the value of f? 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon minus 30. By solving you are getting 1 by v is equal to minus 1 upon minus 15. So if you do the reciprocal, v is equal to minus 15 cm. That means Rajeshri has to place the screen 15 cm to the left of the mirror. Why we are saying left? Because here answer we got in the negative. Now you have to find out the value of h1. So I told you just now only that you can do h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. So here you have to find, because left hand side is same, because it is m of h2 upon h1 and m is equal to minus v upon u. That's why you can do h2 upon h1 is equal to minus v upon u. From that you have to find out the value of h1. h1 is equal to minus u h2 upon V. So what is the value of U? Minus 30. Then H2 is equal to minus 5 upon minus 13. By solving this, you are getting H1 is equal to 10 centimeter. That means the height of the object is 10 centimeter, and thus the image will be real and diminished. Now last point we'll see. See children, the image in front of the mirror which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image. Whatever the image is formed in front of the mirror, that is called as the real image. And for any position of the object, and if the convex mirror we are using, it produces an erect diminished image, and it is always behind the mirror. Whenever we are using convex mirror, that time it is always the image is erect and behind, and always behind the mirror. And the image which is first we have seen the image which is in front of the mirror, that is the real image, and the image which is behind the mirror, that cannot be obtained on a screen, and it is called a virtual image. And the magnification of such an image is always less than 1. Okay children, so here we complete our chapter. Okay.